Sometimes you may just want to add in plain color inside of a Shotcut project. So to do that, on the top you can see open other is an option, and you can click here to get a range of different things, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around onto color, and what happens is that the color option pops up, as you can see, and then you can go around and choose black right here, which is the default, as you can see, or choose transparent right here. I'm going to go to black and go to color, and then choose around, let's say for example red right here, and press OK. Press OK again, and you can see that a color actually pops up over here. You can click and drag this out right here onto the timeline, and then you can see that a color layer is here. Similarly, you can go around over here, go to open other and click on color. And once you do that, you can go around onto color again, choose around another color of your choice, press OK, and there's another color. So you can bring this out over here as well. So you need to bring in color for some reason, then you can go around and utilize this feature right here. You can go around and press open other, and go around on color and select transparent as well. So right now you can see it's transparent. You can press OK. You can bring this in, and you can see that this is now actually black right now. But if I were to go around over here onto a track operation, add a video track right here, and keep the transparent layer on the top, you can see that this is a transparent layer where you can apply out different effects. But you can see through the transparent layer beneath it. So that is how you can add in colors or even transparent layer inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.